So if you have not yet done quiz 4 and you're like, hang on, I don't remember how to find what the Roman numeral is, this is going to review that for you because it's the same process with polyatomics as it is with regular ions. So for example, yes?
Do we have to do like 5B and 6B?
No.
No.
You just do 5A and 6A, yeah? Just like the others. Okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to take a look at this formula, SnNO3. And the first thing we're going to do is we're going to say my first ion is Sn, and my second ion is the NO3. So we look at Sn and we say, is Sn in the red zone? And the answer is Sn is indeed in the red zone. So it needs a Roman numeral. Okay. And what we need to do is we need to write out how many tins we have. There's no number beside tin, so we have one Sn. How many NO3s do we have? We have 2 NO3, so we're going to write out NO3, and we're going to write out NO3. All right, and then we're going to go here. And we're going to say NO3. Let's find that one. NO3 is -1, and it is nitrate. NO3 is -1, so we draw negative, negative, -1, -1. And that, remember, you add up your negative charges, you get -2. That means the positive has to be opposite that. The positive has to be +2, which means that tin is 2 plus. And that charge right there is the Roman numeral. So this is going to be named tin 2 nitrate. And if you're wondering what a formula unit of that would look like, what is this 1 tin and 2 nitrates? Let's go look at the right-hand side of the page. Here is a tin, and this tin has a 2 plus charge, and each of these nitrates is -1. And you'll notice each nitrate has 3 O's and 1 N. So that is tin 2 nitrate. All right, let's try the next one. Because if you're going to make a mistake, it's going to be on something like this. Our first ion is Fe, that is iron. Okay, so we have iron. It's in the red zone. Where's iron? Fe. Red zone, so it does need a Roman numeral. So I'm going to put brackets and leave space for a Roman numeral. And then the second part is PO4. And we need to go to our data pages to find PO4. There it is right there. PO4 is 3 negative. So PO4 is 3 negative, and we have 1 iron. So that's going to have to be 3 positive. Now, the easiest way to make a mistake on this is to think to yourself, oh, gee, I have 4 of these. And so you might say, okay, I got PO, 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 PO. Sometimes people will think that that's what they have, but that's not what you have. You have 1p, okay, not 4 p's, not 1, 2, 3, 4 p's. You have 1p with 4 O's, and you just have one of that entire thing, okay? If I wanted to have 4 phosphates, that's the answer key and workbook. 4 phosphates would be PO4, 4. Okay? So if this is Fe3+, that's iron 3 phosphate. Okie dokie. And if we look at it, here is our PO4. That whole thing is 3-. Here is our Fe, so that has to be 3+, and that together makes a neutral compound. Okay? Let's just skip that bit. Let's take a look at CuSO4. Here is Cu. We have 2 of them, so we have Cu and we have Cu. This is on page 54. So we got a Cu, we got a Cu, and we have 1 SO4, not 4 SOs. No, not 4 SOs. SO4, when we look it up on the green sheet, SO4 is 2- and its name is sulfate. It's 2-. That means our overall negative charge is 2-. Overall positive charge has to be 2 positive. These 2 charges have to be equal and opposite of each other. Then we split up this charge onto 2 places. This is +1, this is +1. All right, and so each of those are +1. That gives us +2. So our name is copper. Is this copper 1 or is it copper 2? Is it copper 1 or is it copper 2?
1.
Copper 1. It's always the charge on a single ion. So it's copper 1 sulfate. So if you have not yet written quiz 5, quiz 5 involves 4.2c, so you can practice this part, but it also involves 4.2d, which is where you have some that are simple, which need no Roman numeral. This is page 59. And some that are multivalent, which is in the red zone. Yes, Roman numeral. And quiz 5 will have both of those. Okay? So if you are ready for quiz 5, I haven't put quiz 5s up there. I would like you to finish quiz 5 today. If you can finish quiz 6 as well, that would be fantastic. Quiz 6 is a mix of these plus the covalents. Okay? So what you'll want to be working on today is page 59. How do I do with my pen? But if you're not feeling good about the Roman numerals, you can start with page 56, 57, 58. So 56 to 58, if you're finding Roman numerals hard. 59, if you're okay with Roman numerals. And if your name is on the board, you'll want to get that cleared off. Hi.
You can help him first.
Hi.
So if we do iodide over mono.
Okay, is it an ionic compound or a covalent compound?
It's an ammonium.
Ammonium. Is ammonium an ion or is it not an ion? It's an ion, so therefore it is an ionic compound. Okay?
Yes.
Hi.
So I don't know if you know, but the gradients are going on their retreat today, and
Yes.
then my friend can't go because her friend not at her. So
Okay.
is it okay if she just comes and stays with us here instead of just wandering around?
Yeah, although don't they have a place for them to go?
Yeah, they're going bowling though.
No, but I mean, don't they have a place within the school for people who can't go?
I don't know. She doesn't know about it.
Okay, I'm okay if she comes here. Yeah.
I have a question.
Yeah.
You for
Yeah. Okay. So you have lead 4 sulfide, so that is Pb,
Yeah.
and its charge is 4 plus, and then sulfide is 2 negative.
So cancel.
Well, you have Pb2 plus. I would actually write them out. That's why there's so much space. Pb2 plus, or sorry, 4 plus. And then we have S2 negative. Do those cancel out?
Oh, there'll be 2 more.
Yeah, so you need to have another one.
Yeah.
And so it's going to be PbS2. Yeah?
Okay.
Yeah.
Next one.
Okay. So that's why there's so much room, so you can write them out with the charges, and then if you need to write out more, you can. Yeah. Hi.
59, if you have no test.
Yeah, so this is all in prep for quiz 5.
So if I handed the quiz in.
Already?
Yeah.
Then you're done. You can just work ahead.
Oh.
Yeah. Yes. 5A.
That's why. So this is.
One.
So how would you draw now?
So if you remember the best grade in not this one, and you're one of
Yeah.
Actually, if this is easy, when there's very low.
Like you say, this. Not just your two, all CR2 was all one thing. Would you rather? Oh, hang on. Yeah, I'll grab you.
What if you have to buy the next thing? What's that?
And then this one, right up here, it's named.
Oh, I remember.
This one's okay, anyone doing enriched? Unique animals for acids? Oliver, you need one of these. It's not the regular ones, and the other ones are on the next page. Okay. You need that. Anyone else working on and is anyone else working on enriched right this second?
What's the?
It's just I'm gonna run out and I wanna make sure people who are working on it right now have one of these and I'll make more copies. Okay? Who else needs one? You guys need one, right? I think if you're not doing it right now, I'll just make more of these. Oh, you got one, perfect.
Yeah.
Okay. Right here.
Oh.
And you'll grab these. Okay.
Oh, and phosphide is, sorry.
Oh, for acids, what is mentioned? Acid is
Yeah.
Oh, that's what you got for light.
Yes.
Should I just get mine down?
Yeah. Yep. Okay. Alright, so you are working on quiz 5.
Yeah, it's still here.
Let's see. Oh, you know what I was looking for? That
Those are your common acids. I don't know, I don't know, like,
What's the 10? How do they? Green sheets. Oh.
I did.
OH. That's hydroxide. And it's regular. Amine. Or.
Is it a battery? I should. Mostly ripped it off.
And then,
Oh. Drop it in nowhere. I don't
this one?
know.
Yeah, grab one.
Sorry.
Right, yes. Yes. Yeah. Now remember for these ones, if they're ionic.
Oh.
Then there's.
Right now.
Okay, so.
Oh.
No, just work with this 5 and 6.
Oh, so
That's 5. You'll want
Wait, let's
to
look at the
work
COVID.
on- How do you feel about finding? Are you like, yes, or you like, no? Are you good about finding them? Yeah. Yeah, pretty good. Okay, then you're gonna go over here 9. Okay, get yourself some strawberries though. Okay, and you're going to first of all decide what you just have to do it. It's not just me. Whether it's yeah, the first one is either in red or right. The second one will never be. Yeah. So we have AL and PO4 and put that up there. Yeah. What when you come across one from yeah.
Oh, and that one.
No. Or okay. Yes, so you're the first. That's together. So it's the first and the reference. Okay.
Okay, I don't think I'm mentally ready for this, but well.
You have the first one, data. How many are oh. That's why I lost it.
All right, yeah, so last day we went over some polyatomic and stuff, I'll be there in just a minute. These ones, the PO4, that's the and it's
Exactly.
yeah.
Maybe you're right, it's so large.
Some children. I'd say it's
Now, yeah, okay. So, I can put it in the line and then I'll be back. Yes. So for this one, yeah. And sandwich so far is just one thing. It is just one thing, but it's showing. Okay, that was gonna say. That means that it has a charge. But all as a group has to yeah, so the little one that has like the positive and negative, always do that after. Ryan. So that's like. Okay, so you're counting CQs, and then you're gonna write down CR207. Just once. Oh, and these are little numbers that are down at the bottom.
Thank you.
Yep.
Okay, if you're done quiz 4, make sure you're working towards quiz 5, which is this stuff here. I would like everybody, unless you've been away, to be done at least quiz 5 by today, if not quiz 6. Okay? Everybody should be done quiz 5.
Not to be done quiz 5 today. We're still working on it. Cool. All right. Now, this.
Where are you gonna look to find that? Perfect, okay. So it's named dichromate, what is its charge? -2, so you're gonna write that first minus. And then we have copper. So those ones, this is gonna be a total of -2. What's our total positive charge? This group? Beautiful. Yeah, that's exactly right. And then you're gonna have copper 1
Every time you need a graphic, these ones. We like Nine. Oh, yeah.
You do add it.
Yeah.
I know. Oh, I saw it. Oh, you have been calling. Mom just
Okay. What's supposed to happen is you're supposed to do the then you know what you're doing. Otherwise, you get into the test and you don't have anyone telling you. And you don't want to be straight. You want to be like, I know it myself. So, yeah, you can inform me and so on.
Oh, nice.
Okay. Let you know what does
Yeah.
right? Why do you think like you now have to this thing now?
Oh, yeah.
like that.
You have these sorts
You're gonna do scroll backwards.
These ones are literally just which class? Yeah, which class? You don't read class.
Yeah, that I submit as
And try to put it on. Have not. It's not like that. No. So if you have something that is. I think they're gonna be metals. Not all metals, but these metals don't want. These metals don't want it.
Well, it's nice for anything that
And then.
That'd be fun.
I don't have. And actually, I know it's different because.
Why is he putting in the dye there?
It's a
What?
vein line. So that's why it's. These guys use 6 families. So now we know that. Compounds are always in common. That's why there's no overall chart of the minerals.
I apologize for the interruption. For those teachers involved with the grade 8 retreat, the pizzas are coming to your classes or just separately. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah, and then this.
Oh, right. Lots of yeah, this is the great country. That's what we call these things. Oh, yeah, sorry.
Yes, so that'll be cool.
Oh, wait, this is science.
Yeah. And then one.
Wait, Roger's name.
Oh. Well.
Oh, okay.
Nice. And then
It's over there. Do you know how to hide them? Like, do you know how to? No. Okay.
it's probably the same thing that I'm fish.
Like I got I'll be back.
So it's like every
Well, then, if you think about it, if parents sleep, how many hours you know, in school training, and they have the smarts and the hours, then the math do it, but if this is real, then yeah. Biggest gorilla is.
Now I know. So they have certain certificates. I'd rather do these ones. I like.
Yeah. So, yeah, you're not gonna be like.
No, that one is.
Oh.
We have to do this. This is this. I have to do it again. I thought it was different.
There is no H4F. It's NH4. Remember? Uh-huh.